I got a log? Look at you. Wow. What do you think it is?
I don't know, but I'm very happy.
Ooh. Ooh.
First cast on the, or second cast on the spoon.
Wow. I do think it's a carp.
Oh yeah.
Good job though. First cast. What? You put that orange spoon on and there it is. Because it's exciting and that's why we go fishing. Yeah. How you putting it back in? All right. So if you grab them by the gills here, it doesn't hurt them. Okay, you see that?
You want to do it?
You know how I do it?
That's what I fucking do too.
Did you want to pick it up?
I think it's dead.
No, it just
Yeah,
more help.
it'll be all right.
No.
And if it does die, it'll only help the ecosystem around us. It'll float off.
Barely.
He'll come around.
He looks like he's...
How's your hot dog? Is it good? Want another one?
You went under the dog.
All right, good. Good. You'll be all right. Oh, I gotta get back to my burgers. Oh, there they go. Oh, yeah. Yep. S'mores.